So good evening to all. Hope you're doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about TTML share. So previously, when we had done the complete technical analysis at the 160 rupees level, we have discussed all the important supports and near-term targets. So many people have requested to make a separate technical analysis video on this particular stock. So we'll try to find out what are the next important zones that we need to focus. So before that, if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon to get instantly notified, and do join the Telegram group, because in Telegram we'll discuss all the instant updates followed by stocks for intraday, swing and long term. I'll provide a link in the description followed by comment section. Okay. So first we'll try to do the complete analysis on weekly chart and then we'll move to the daily chart. So once you observe the weekly chart, so clearly we can see a very good breakout was observed in the stock. So when it has crossed the 190 rupees level. So morning itself, it has showed initial signs of correction, but again market, when it has started going into the green direction, so many stocks have started retracing. So TTML also, after initially showing little bit of fall, but again it has gone into that upper circuit zone. So even in the previous day's session also, it has showed a little bit of correction. Circuit got opened and again it managed in that upper circuit zone. So that is the reason many people had doubts what would be the next possible levels. So now coming to what can be the near-term target. So as I told, same thing. So the 200 rupees level is going to be very important in the coming sessions. So closing above that particular zone is very important. So if you want to have any fresh entry, so do above 200 rupees itself. And if you're planning to buy at the current levels also, just invest small portions and leave it. So we'll also do the analysis on daily chart. So quickly let's go to daily chart pattern. Okay, so clearly if you try to observe the daily chart pattern, so we can see every day the stock was opening, like in the last 4 to 5 sessions, only one time it has given direct upper circuit. So remaining 3 sessions the stock has opened and it has given opportunity for that buy entry. So as I told, this 190 rupees level is going to act as a very strong support in the coming sessions. So keep that 190 level as a very important support zone. And moving down, we have 170 as the next immediate and followed by 180. So these are very important zones. And next target, as I told, 200 rupees above closing is going to be very important. And if you want to do any bulk investment, so do above 200 rupees only. Okay, so apart from taking the position, so keep an eye on market condition also. If market is having little bit correction, so obviously the stocks also will follow the same pattern. So if you're doing any bulk investment, so try to preferably add in portions. So don't put entire investment at a single go. And if you're planning that, do in portions, because again if you put entire capital, so you won't have the funds to average. Okay, so keep these levels in radar. So 2 supports. So first one is around 180 and second one 190 as the short-term supports. And targets wise, so first it should cross 200, then immediate targets would be 210, 220. So that manner you can estimate. Okay, so any further queries you can ask in the comment section, and also you can connect with me in Instagram. Instagram ID is StocksDairyYT. So until then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.